In this video, I will show you how to get Fortnite on PC. Open a web browser, go to Google and search Fortnite. Click on the first link where it says Fortnite.com. Click on this download button. Click on download now and download the app. Now double click on the installer. Click on install. Now, if you do not have an Epic Games account, just create an account from here. I already have an account, so I'm just going to log in. Now, once you are logged in, click here and search for Fortnite. Click on Fortnite and click on Get. Click on Place Order. Click on View in Library. Now select Install. Click on Install. Now let's wait for the game to install. And the game is finally installed. Click on Launch. And now you're ready to play Fortnite.